Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a mountain climber. To complete this craft, you will need the mountain climber template printed on cardstock, a sturdy paper plate, a paper fastener, paint and a paintbrush or markers, a toothpick, scraps of paper, glue, and scissors. Here's what you'll do. First, cut your paper plate in half. Using paint or markers, color your mountain, leaving the top white for the snow top. Cut out the mountain climber and attach it to the middle of the plate at the bottom of the mountain, using the paper fastener. Decorate it any way you like. You can make a sign with your paper and a toothpick. Add grass, whatever you want to make this craft uniquely yours. Ta-da! Here's the finished mountain climber. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!